Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your AirPods Pro 3 with your Nintendo Switch 2. I will also show you how you can use gestures to control the volume. To add your AirPods, simply go to Settings, select Bluetooth Audio, and add a device. Open the AirPods case and double tap on the front twice. You'll see the light starts to flash white. You can see my Pro 3, so I'll select them. And they're now connected. Features such as being able to adjust the volume of the AirPods also work. Simply swipe up to put the volume up and down to put it down. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.